and welcome back. Meet my latest training partner, a DIY improvised training dummy. With almost no tools and budget, one can make training tools that enhances our training. But we must always remember that these tools can cause to develop bad habits from the art. So always train with that in mind and to avoid detracting from your art. Having a dummy is a useful way to practice angles and distancing. Keep in mind, this isn't an iaido practice but more for kenjutsu. The weapon pointing helps to keep my distance and be cautious. It also allows me to practice blocks and parries, especially when the opponent in the basic middle stance. Because it grows very close to one another, I can just slot the bamboo weapon in between and adjust firmness of the weapon grip. It's strong enough to stay in one place, but it's also flexible enough to give some resistance. Stationary target is good to hone posture, forms and angles, but however it does not provide pressure and it does not react unexpectedly like a real person does, which can result in habitual complacency. In fact, a stationary target is probably the worst training tool to develop reflexes, but it makes a good tool for reviewing or experimenting. Stationary targets makes for good repetitive drill practice. When doing drills, sometimes you can visualize your techniques and may reach your aha moment. This is one of the little aha moments during this session. This is an example of no pressure coming from the practice dummy. It can potentially ruin the techniques you learn that requires pressure from the opponent. So we have to be mindful of the limitations of a stationary target. Tools like this encourages creativity and experimentation. but always be mindful of the dangers and limitations this tool can have. Got a little advice from a little Jedi over there. Experiment and keep trying new things. Hope you enjoyed this short practice session. If you enjoy these practice sessions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Keep tabs on more weekly contents. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.